The CHEP 1000 litre Pallecon is the simplest, safest and most cost-effective way to ship liquid products. Why choose the CHEP 1000 litre Pallecon? Let's compare it to an alternative solution, a corrugated intermediate bulk container or IBC. First, let's evaluate the operational efficiencies of each container. When full, the CHEP 1000 litre Pallecon can be safely stacked 5 high without the need for racking. This can increase your storage capacity by 60% per pallet space. The CHEP 1000 litre Pallecon can be easily set up by a single operator in less than 30 seconds. Cardboard IBCs are more labour-intensive, requiring the container to be unfolded, set up, placed on a pallet and strapped down. The cost of these extra materials that come from multiple vendors and the labour can quickly add up. With its built-in pallet and interlocking lid, the CHEP 1000 litre Pallecon provides all the necessary components, which helps simplify your operation and keep costs down. Additionally, after use, the corrugated IBC requires dismantling of its individual components and disposal into landfill, with the minor strapping and palleting adding more cost and environmental waste. Now let's take a look at a couple of safety challenges with the cardboard IBC. They typically do not offer security features, while CHEP 1000 litre Pallecons are secured with tamper-evident seals to ensure product safety. Strapping required to secure the cardboard IBC can snap back, causing a hazard, and cardboard IBCs present numerous hygiene challenges, leaving behind corrugate dust and waste materials. Additionally, if the cardboard becomes too moist, it is prone to accumulating bacteria and collapsing whilst in storage or in transit. Overall, the CHEP 1000 litre Pallecon is a more safe, durable and hygienic container that is far easier to use. Contact CHEP today to find out how you can cut costs, reduce waste and mitigate risk. In addition, CHEP 1000 litre Pallecons are a global leading sustainable solution for the movement of bulk liquid product using the CHEP Share and Reuse Hire model. For more information or to request a quote on renting our bulk liquid storage Pelicons, contact us today.